Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're in the need of some silicone rings, I want to show you these from Egnaro. So this is a pack of 7 rings, and these are my husband's, and they are multicolored, so you get a couple of different options, which is really nice, and they are super comfy and squishy. So if you're not able to maybe wear a traditional metal wedding band, this is a nice option. They're really comfy, ergonomic. So if you work with your hands, maybe you work in construction, it can be kind of uncomfortable or cumbersome to have a metal ring on. So for those type of circumstances, this is such a great option. Or if you're someone who just doesn't like to have a rigid metal ring on their finger, then this is so flexible and squishy, and you can really just wear it in any type of circumstance. So they are comfortable, they have a really nice design to them. On the inside, there's a little etched design, which is just kind of a fun little feature. And overall, my husband's been really happy with these rings and says that they are very comfortable to wear. So this is such a great little option that we're really happy with, and that is my point of view.